Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your productivity with Notion easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Notion and create a new page. Title your page Productivity Hub. Begin by adding a database to track tasks. Select the table option for easy visibility. Create columns for task name, status, due date, and priority. Populate your task list with a few sample tasks. Use the status column to categorize tasks as to do, in progress, and completed. Next, add a calendar view to track deadlines. Click on Add a View and choose Calendar. Customize the calendar to reflect your due dates from the task table. Create a weekly goals section below your task database. List 3 to 5 goals you want to achieve each week. To enhance focus, add a daily checklist below your weekly goals. Use checkboxes for this section to mark off tasks as you complete them. Incorporate a notes section for brainstorming and ideas. Keep this area freeform to capture thoughts and inspiration. Utilize Notion's templates for project management if needed. Explore options in the template gallery and choose what fits your needs. Embed relevant resources by copying links and pasting them into your page. Enhance your workspace with icons and cover images for a personalized touch. Check your layout and adjust sections for optimal visibility. Use the toggle feature to hide or reveal detailed information as needed. Make use of Notion's sharing options if you want collaborative input. Invite team members or friends to your workspace for feedback and ideas. Regularly revisit and update your task list and goals. Make adjustments based on what's working and what needs improvement. Automate recurring tasks using Notion's reminder feature. Schedule alerts for deadlines to stay on track. Monitor your productivity weekly to evaluate progress. Reflect on your experiences and make changes to your setup as needed. By following these steps, you'll effectively scale your productivity with Notion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.